Guess 120 Animals is the most watched video on the Quiz Blitz channel. And one key reason? The zoom in and zoom out animation effect that grabs viewers' attention instantly. In today's video, I'll show you how to recreate a similar zoom effect in Canva. While it may not be an exact replica, since some advanced animations are only available in tools like Adobe After Effects or Premiere Pro, you'll still be able to achieve a clean, professional look for your quiz or educational videos. If that excites you, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials, quiz effects, and animation tips. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your creative friends. Open Canva and start a new design using the YouTube video template. Go to the background section and choose a spiral or plain background, something clean and simple. This will be the base for your design. Now add a frame to hold your image. This is where the quiz object, like an animal photo, will be placed. Next, head over to Text and insert a heading. For the font, I recommend Lasagna Spartan, or any other bold, easy-to-read style that stands out on screen. Select the frame and set the corner rounding to 100% to make it circular. Add a white border with a thickness of 10 pixels. This helps the image pop against the background. Then, adjust the height and width of the frame and position it at the center of the canvas for balance. Now it's time to add the image. Go to the photo section and search for any animal. I'm selecting a dog for this example. Drag the photo into the frame. Next, we'll add a timer. I already have a timer video created. If you'd like to learn how to make one, check the info card above or the link in the description. Place and resize the timer as needed on the canvas. Now, let's animate the elements. Select the image frame and apply a pop animation. Reduce the speed to keep it smooth and subtle. Set the animation to trigger on enter only. For the timer, apply the rise animation as shown in the video. Adjust its speed to match your preference. Once done, duplicate the page using the copy function. On the duplicated page, remove the timer. Then, add a new text box to reveal the name of the animal, for example, dog. Reduce the size of the image frame slightly to simulate a zoom-out effect. Finally, click on Transitions and apply the Match and Move effect between the two pages. Set the duration between 0.4 and 0.5 seconds for a smooth result. And that's it. Your Canva video with a zoom-out reveal effect is now ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow tutorials on Canva, quiz effects, and creative animations.